Are you feeling lots of anxiety about something that you saw? Or perhaps you saw a UFO, or maybe you had a paranormal experience. Have you seen an alien? You saw an alien or talked to an alien? Were you a child then? Were you an adult? And this situation is still fresh in your mind and still pressing on you, and you don't know what to do with the feelings that you're feeling and the thoughts that you're having. You're feeling like you can't talk about it to anyone, and you feel afraid of losing your job if you talk about it. Perhaps you are like a professional or somebody in position at work. There is leadership, and you don't want to be ridiculed. You don't want to be laughed at. You feel like you're going to be laughed at. You're going to be labeled as insane, and the consequences of telling somebody could harm you, and you're thinking about these things, but you know that you saw something. You know you had this experience, and you know that these within your heart, and you need to talk about it. And the more if you feel rejected, if the more you feel disbelieved, the more you feel the need to speak and to talk about it. And so if this is the situation you're in, if you have answered yes to some of these questions, and you're wondering why no one's listening to you, why is the situation just getting worse in your mind, we would like to invite you to, there's a link below this video. We'd like to invite you to click on that link and make a consultation with us for a coaching session with us. And we would love to hear your story. We would love to hear what happened to you. We'd love to be able to give you some guidance that we are not going to provide you with a solution, but we will provide you a guidance for you to find the solution that fits you for yourself. We don't have a one-fits-all solution for everybody. Oh, do this and then this is going to happen and you're going to be fine. This solution needs to come from you, from your heart, and from your mind, and from your subconscious. And so it has to be from you, but you need to have the guidance to be able to arrive at that point so that you can have the peace and the joy of living and being able to come to terms with what happened and feel that you are a normal person. What you have experienced is valid. We know that. We have been in your shoes. We know. And so we'd like to talk to you. Please click on the link below and book your coaching session with Sounds of the Sun. And we would love to talk to you. See you soon.